Hey guys, today I've heard that this trading gets hidden all over here. Let's go look. Okay, for all the fidgets I find, I'm gonna bring this basket. Okay, let's go. This is my fidget collection right now, by the way. Oh, I just saw a pop-it. Let's put it in here. I can't wait. This is gonna be so exciting. Come on. Is there a wacky track on that sweep? Oh, that wasn't a wacky track, that was a noodle, but let's get it. OMG, I just found a wacky track. That's the wacky track I saw, but it fell. Let's look at the trampoline. There might not be it. Is that a pop-it? Let's get it. I'm gonna set it down here, okay? Whoa! It comes with more? Wow. Let's go look over here. Okay. Here's my dog. I've been walking in this forest for so long. I haven't found anything. An owl fidget fell. Wow. Okay, there's a wacky track. Oh, my feet hurt. Now I have to walk back. Ooh, my gosh. It hurts. Let's learn next time we go fidget hunt and wear shoes. Ow, the dog's trying to bite me. Ow, ow. Stop it, Gracie. Why'd I let her out here? Is that a squishy? Whoa. I finally made it back. I can finally put my fidgets away. I'm gonna look for two more and maybe make a part 2. Oh, hi there. I see you got some fidgets. Did you find them? I found these. Oh, you heard about the fidget hunting here too? Yeah, I have. I also heard that some people have been stealing people's fidgets. Oh my gosh, I hope this doesn't happen to you or me. Yeah, let's team up. Okay, protect my fidgets. I'm gonna go get some drink, okay? Please. Okay. Oh, look at that girl's fidgets. Hey, you can't take those. Well, they're mine. Goodbye. Oh no, I need to run after him, but my fidgets. Hey, don't come running after me. These are mine. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so mad. If there's fidgets that look like those, I need to go find some really fast. The dough ball. It looks exactly like it. Now I need to find a mermaid puppet. Oh, it's gonna hurt. A mermaid tail puppet on the tree. Whoa there. Hey, my feet hurt. Let's go put this in the same spot. I see her coming. Run. Okay, they were right here. Oh, she doesn't think I stole them if they were in the same spot. Hi, did you protect my fidgets? They look cleaner than it used to. Wow. Did you clean them or something? I need to tell you the truth. A guy stole them. God, he washed them good. I had to buy you new ones. Well, find new one. Why couldn't you protect them? At least you found new ones, but you're so untrustworthy. Ugh. I did not mean to make that girl mad. Hey, my mom told me to return these to you. I'm sorry. What the heck? They're not mine. Where is she? I guess I just have to keep these. Well, I earned some fidgets, I guess. Thank you for returning them, okay? Should I do a part 2, guys, and find more fidgets and meet more people in trading? Bye!